Hey there, welcome. Today I have a beautiful colorful fridge magnet for you. So stay tuned till the end and I'm sure you will learn loads. Hi, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade today. So, today, as you all know, we will be making this beautiful, colorful fridge magnet. It goes with the theme of this month, which is rainbows. Yes, shades of rainbows. So, this is a beautiful magnet, a very cute and sweet and small project, but then it is very close to my heart. So, come, let's see what all products do we need for this. So, these are all the chalk paints that we need for it. We will start with botanical teal, then aquamarine, then pale daffodils, followed by bubblegum pink, and then cheeky coral. Also, I will be using snow white chalky paint. So after the paints, I will be using transfer sheets from Craft Angles. They are lovely and very easy to work with. So the ones that I have used for this project is My Kitchen from Craft Angles, and another one which is very favorite is the butterflies sheet. Why is it a favorite is because there are so many butterflies on one sheet, so then of course it will go for a very long time, right? I will place the butterfly on the top and the bottom of my fridge magnet. Then I will also do gilding with gold dust gilding flakes. It is a very beautiful color and I really love it. To varnish, I will use decoupage varnish, and later on top to give a resin finish, I will use liquid glaze, one of my favorite products from Craft Angles. At the back, I'm going to use magnets so that I can place it on my fridge. So that's it. Come, let's see how did I make it. So to start with, I first took out little bit of paint in a pellet plate or a bowl, whatever suits you. I first took it out in a plate. Then I practiced on a rough sheet of paper just to understand the color combinations that I wanted on my final product. Once I was satisfied, that is when I started painting my product. So starting from cheeky coral and then going on to bubblegum pink and then pale daffodils. Likewise, in a sequence, I started painting all these chalky paints onto this small MDF piece that I had and then took out the rainbow effect out of it. And once I was happy and satisfied and when the color was all completely dry, that is when I started using the transfer sheets. Once the front was painted, I turned it around and whatever paint I was left with, I started using that to paint the back of the product. I could have given the same effect what I had given in front, but then I chose not to. Of course, I was short of cheeky coral paint, so I thought let me just use the bubblegum pink, whatever was out on the plate. I just used that and finish it. For the sides, of course, I have used aquamarine. I think it gave a very beautiful effect, and actually I did not even use it with brush. What I did was just applied it with my fingertips. Painting with your fingers is a very therapeutic thing, let me tell you. You will enjoy it. Once you start painting with your fingers, you will realize slowly and gradually that you do not want to pick up a brush. It is so much fun to work with paints and your fingers. I think we all like to be a child when we are doing this. So, what I did was the sides I used aquamarine color and I painted the sides with that. Now that the base was dry, so I cut out the kitchen motif that I really liked. I really like the saying, and because this is going to be a kitchen magnet stuck on the fridge in the kitchen, I think this was just apt. So I just cut out as much as I wanted to paste, the rest extra, just cut it out. Two butterflies which I liked for the top and the bottom. I selected it according to the color. Yes, the transfer sheets have a little transparency to it. So you must be very sure of what you are pasting where and on what color. Okay, that will actually help you bring out the beauty of the product. So cut out the extra and then place it wherever you want. After placing it face down, press it properly nicely so that it sticks in its place and then give a water wash from the back. Yes, this is all that you need to do. It is as simple as that. It is literally a tada moment. So just use a brush and apply water, give a nice water wash from the back, and that is it. Slowly and steadily just slide the backing off and you will see a beautiful result. Now, this is because of the quality of the transfer sheets from Craft Angles, that they are very, very easy to use. So, I highly, highly recommend them. For gilding on the side corners, I'm going to use a little bit of tacky glue and then just place a little bit gilding flakes in the corners. Press them nicely, let it dry, and then once you think that you've given it a 5-10 minute gap, brush it off. The extra excess will come off, and whatever you wanted will be stuck in its place. It's a very simple thing, but it really adds a lot to the project. Any project that you add gold gilding flakes to really comes out very pretty. So I'm going to be adding gilding flakes on both the sides, top and bottom, both. After brushing off the excess gilding flakes, I'm going to varnish my product and seal everything. Yes, from top to bottom to sides to back, everything I'm going to seal with my varnish. I have also mixed a little glitter in my varnish, so it really gives a very beautiful glittery feel. Once the varnish was dry completely, I thought let me give a little bit of liquid glaze on top. The resin effect comes out so beautiful, it will look actually very pretty. So then I took out the liquid glaze bottle and that is it, just pour. That is the best thing. In resin you have to mix two components, whereas in liquid glaze you do not. All you have to do is pour and spread. That is it. It's so easy. And there you go. The product is ready and the liquid glaze will dry overnight and I will have a beautiful fridge magnet for my kitchen. So that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this product. Please let me know your true comments and how did you like it. Please try and do it on your own. I would really like to see what you've done. Ask me any questions and I'll be very happy to answer. So have fun, enjoy yourself and enjoy this. Bye.